Yamwakwa Benenso do Badwam TV Badwam so Apostle Dr. Nita Ekotego yedase eni nkranhensem anopayin samwasie no ebrason so tibie obetimi ahye live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 na kwadomonline.com semine semafoforo bi ewo ho medin afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mienhye ensem no ase Edwara husam kasiye bebo me wo Accra New Town dan bia yensi nwie yi a yesi asukufo ne komo ne du ne kwasia da asori bi nso ekohokọ ya asori obi anka bi anhyemu nim de esiye dan no adwiri egu adehye yi eso a ne koso ewo ho ebie no ye security mana na ogwo sabre no some odi tudwa eni
when I second so amenu man didi yakwa because me dwani me pot me bibia me ya dwani was so kra me pot 3 was off me was dwani a master ya twa me ka me toy dwani si ho me was sardine geisha omo gari bibia maseti ni na askata me was fine me was bibia amia guo tesia since I didn't see a Ghanaian command, and this time, my boss, and you say 4. My boss, and you say 4. Wow. So get fund based in Noah, almost 60 from 2011. Almost what Bubu before.
Enti we no yara husama akoso wo New Town asori anase building a ebu egwo no nadmo pani so ekokopie ho no nso nsomodi tudwa eni
oka se nadmo assessment se bibisa si a enye obakofo nkwa na ye ho adwuma eye a group of agencies a ye nyina ye etorenche ho adwuma na ye nyina ya behyiam na yede adwen abom etni asiano entem saa pepepe na si eme asem ni si em se yenyina ye ba se nad mobile bi 48 engineers ba bi obehwa adikanfo ni dikan baaye operation staff ni adade on be ye adwuma abra empinfo nso ye we echi a ye organize equipment na adade ehia se omudi ba beboa ama ade no aye ntemamaye enti yeboabo asade na ye ansa na ye nyina ye bae including interior minister ne chief fire officer obi aba ha bi na dia kwesini se no nipa na omowo dan mu a collapse ye yetimi ayi omu nyina afi sa collapse building unfortunately out of nipa 23 no emi say nyansa de omu afi omu nkwa na nipa 20 na yetimi ajomu omu nyina wo hospitals police hospital 37
Enti nadmo pani na yete no enkano na yebekoso ani agina mo frisesi ye no mpanifo ahodo okokopie mu ho enkramanta mi mo swafo mame Linda Oklu enso ko ho sama auditon centralfo anim eni
Go back! Go back!
engaging for service. I'm on my rundown, sir. Say where you go for 60.
Okay.
You're going to moon pie, sir. The close of the day, no more car, yes, some more chapel other side. Makes me a young
Martin, Regina, you better ask me.
Interior Minister Enso Ra Muntaka Mubarak Enso Mohammed Enso Ekokopie wo ho ono so nsama odi tudwa eni.
So far, information that have been cross-checked, double-checked,
visited all the hospitals just to be sure that we don't give any information that may be far away from the fact, as we all know. I mean, it is very difficult for you to be able to tell how many people were in there, but at least with the cross-check from the police, from the, sorry, I forgot the ambulance service. The ambulance service and their team, I mean, they've been here the whole night. I mean, and they've done a wonderful job. We are really very grateful. The media, yourself, and everybody that I may have forgotten to mention. We've gotten the fire service to do the count of what they were able to do. We've gotten police to do their count. We've gotten NASMO to do their count. We've gotten the ambulance service to do their count. And at least we've put all the information together. And what we can say is that there was a total of 23. Unfortunately, we've lost 3. The 3 that we've lost are a male and 2 females. We are not able to tell names for now. And thank God, 20 are alive in various hospitals. We have police hospital, the 37 military hospital, Mamobi, and a private facility where we have all these 20 people. Out of the 23, the total number of females among them are 14, in fact 15, with 8 being male. Out of these, we have minors that are 7, but those who have lost their life, there's no minor.
Na yenko yento asansem no so na owura bia nyame adom yetumi yi ne dihye free mu no said ohunu se ne dihye ne de wato nananom nsie do de no so course wo ho eni
She said, a dino, Abrosino, she said, the Bibia to come, but Ansana, baby.
le juma amaye no. E juma amaye no. Enipa bi afi mu ana.
Me ba cho yeti bi bisa.
Mote ya na se mode mani ehu ye.
Ye de ne hu.
Nipa sen.
Nipa mi nsa e na ye hu fo.
Ah omu na hiro mo nkwan.
Ah omu hu.
Okay. What National Fire Service is the Mamimbi Sao? Yatati, Ebise, oh, Oma Unipa 12, Ebise 13, Ebise 14, Ebise 15. Specifically, a Nipa who was an Amoyo.
Nipacho, Yay Nipa Dunum. Dunum. Emi the ambulance for Emma Mosu de call nearby hospitals. Yes. Nipacho Yabaya, I'm Nipa Dunum to rescue.
Okay.
National Fire Service.
Okay.
And the rescue.
Fire Service the Mamimbi Sao. Yatati, Ebise, oh, Oma Unipa 12, Ebise 13, Ebise 14, Ebise 15. Specifically, a Nipa who was an Amoyo.
Nipacho, Yay Nipa Dunum. Dunum. Emi the ambulance for Emma Mosu de call nearby hospitals. Yes. Nipacho Yabaya, I'm Nipa Dunum to rescue.
Okay.
National Fire Service.
Okay.
And the rescue.
Okay. Be 1 hour ago, you some last.
Enti ni akoso ewo ho eno no na yete anaye hu ise owura ohwe nwumasua so Haruna Idrison so ekoko piemo yenti kakra ono editudwe.
Represented here with the Ghana Fire Service and not, but we are helpless at some point because
Tiora Haruna Idrison no ana dwuni nyina no na mpanifue won mo ho abofro kuma yeyi no jese onim hwe yenhwemra Enti yenhwe sade na dan no nso ete ansana edwura gwenti edan no eni New Town edan a esi honoma yesi eye school dan na ase no nso du kwasiada wormo ekohonomo ekokosom no na yehu se edahona no na kwasiada Palm Sunday yeshum tuntum nyame ye manesho no arahosem kase ye no nso esi ye no ewiye kura no sade atorenche mu aboafo nyinara eni adehye wo mpotemu ho nyinara nsantwefo nyina ade enwugi mu no ne yakwakọ wie nso ho eni abudoza na ayiyi ho mu nyina manei dan no ni nyina ejidi yese yenye obia ebiemo yehwe no nso emra
aye le juma amaye no ejuma amaye no enipa bi afi mu ana
me ba cho yeti bi bisa.
She said the dino Abrosign no she said the bibia to form but ansana baby a excavator no ebegyina bia no
yenya no so na yemfa kase ne o ensi na yesa nane tichio no egyina yenura ebe no miensam honom na sawe hosem esi ye bepema homachin afei ena niema atumi atadin wona eprewrade ema ne nsaso wonso enam awrehosem wemu afrimu rade nye abusua no rechechefo